So hello friends, myself and you are watching the YouTube channel Technical Today I will tell you the specifications of OnePlus 9 Lite. If you on this channel, please subscribe our channel to get the notification of the future videos. The specifications of OnePlus 9 Lite are Snapdragon 870 6.7 inches Full HD plus Super AMOLED display, 48 megapixel rear camera, 16 megapixel front camera, 90Hz fast refresh rate, 4300 mAh battery, 30 watt fast charging, Oxygen OS 11 based on Android 11. This is some more information about the front and rear camera of OnePlus 9 Lite. There are 3 color variants of OnePlus 9 Lite: blue color, green color and black color. There are 3 storage variants of OnePlus 9 Lite: 6GB plus 64GB, 6GB plus 128GB and 8GB plus 128GB. This is the front side of OnePlus 9 Lite. This is the back side of OnePlus 9 Lite. The expected launch date of OnePlus 9 Lite will be in the mid of the February. In my opinion, the expected price of OnePlus 9 Lite should be below 35,000. This is the end of today's video. If you like the video, please click on the like button. If you are new on this channel, please subscribe our channel. If you have any doubt regarding this, do comment down below. Thank you for watching.